Kevin Spacey has come out as gay after apologizing in his statement after being accused of sexual advances on an underage actor. That's right, the House of Cards star used the power of Twitter to say he's beyond horrified to hear Anthony Rapp describe an alleged encounter when Rapp was only 14 years old. Rapp said Spacey picked him up the way a groom picks up a bride over a threshold and eventually tried to seduce him. Rapp said Kevin was pressing into him and tightening his arms around him, but he was eventually able to squirm free and escape. Kevin apologized after BuzzFeed published the article, calling it inappropriate drunken behavior, but he then went on to say the story has encouraged him to address other things in his life, like how he has been in relationships with both men and women and will now choose to live his life as a gay man. He added that he wants to deal with this honestly and openly, and that starts with examining his own behavior.
What's up, you bunch of keyboard warriors? If you like what we do, and you should, make sure to like and subscribe. It keeps us from having to turn tricks on Hollywood Boulevard.